sushi. Today. Literally banana bread in a cup. Hey guys, what up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a week. I tend to eat as high protein as I can, and I'm challenging myself to only eat out one time this week because I have a trip coming up on Saturday, but it is currently Monday. I already had my coffee. I made that banana smoothie syrup stuff yesterday, and it's in my last video if you wanna go check out how I made it, but maybe I'll insert like a quick little clip here of how I made that. I also meal prepped some yogurt bowls, some chia pudding bowls. I've never made them before, but they look super good. So let's give one a try. Boop. Oh yeah. Okay, I definitely want to give this a little taste test because it's the first time trying this recipe, but look how good it looks. So I had it sitting overnight so the chia seeds would soften a little. Admittedly, this mango is not like the best mango I've ever had. I tried it yesterday, and it wasn't like super ripe, but I wanted to make it anyway, so. So far, so good. It's fresh. It's sweet. I like the little chocolate chips that I added. The original recipe used cacao nibs, but I couldn't find them at the store, so I just threw a few chocolate chips in there. Also, I try to drink my water. I usually drink like 3 or 4 of these a day pretty easily. Cheers. I will see you guys for lunch. Brian's actually gonna come home for lunch, so we have something really yummy we're gonna try. All right, homies, it is officially lunchtime, so let's make our turkey sandwich. I'm really excited to have this sandwich. I'm really hungry, so let's do it. A little homemade sourdough action.
Sour D?
Sour D's nuts. It's going good. It's gonna be a big sandwich. Hope you're hungry. Sandwich supplies. We've got. All right, I got my toasted bread. Ooh, it's looking good. This is a new kind of turkey that I haven't tried yet, so hopefully it's good. This is gonna be such a big sandwich with the chips too. All right, and then to top it off, I'm adding some Taki chips, very health forward. There is no red 40 in here at all. I honestly can't keep chips in my house for very long because I will just eat them. So it's actually really rare that we even buy chips, but we bought some, so you best believe I'm gonna add it to my sandwich. Oh my gosh. This is a monster. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Let me cut this in half. The cross section. I'm just admiring the sandwich. Okay, I'll give it a taste test. We're gonna eat outside, but I gotta try a bite of this. All right, so Brian just went back to work. We did a little walk around the loop by our house before he left. I always try to walk after meals when I have the time or when I feel like it, and now it's time to get back to work. It is about 3 o'clock, I'm wearing a shirt, and I need a little pick-me-up to get me through the last, actually, I think it's like 3:30, so I just need to get through 1.5 more hours of tippity-typing on my computer, and I know just the thing. It's a LaCroix. A LaCroix is gonna hit for me every time. So good. We are about to go pick up some art and we have to drive to go get it. Wow, we sound so bougie, pick up some art, but Brian and I are gonna share this apple to hold us over. We're gonna bring these apples to go. This has nothing to do with what I eat in a week, but I wanted to show you guys the art that we picked up. It could be worth thousands. We're hoping, you know, 100 grand. And then this one, will you move real quickly? This is the one that caught our eye originally. We just love the color. I love this. For dinner, I'm gonna make teriyaki beef bowls. I've never made this before, so if it's bad, sorry, Brian. He's nervous that it's gonna taste bad, but it won't. No, he knows it'll taste good. We have our set recipes that we make, and when we go outside the norm, you just never know. Because the set recipes we know are a bop. I forgot to film for a second, but I just put garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. If you often cry when you are cutting onions, then I have a hack for you. So I'm just chopping here, and I have a wet paper towel right here, and I don't cry anymore. I usually look insane when I'm chopping onions, but look. You see that? You see that? You don't? No tears in these eyes. Look at Brian's bowl. He's a man, hungry. I'm a man. I'm hungry. Got my cinnamon honey iced latte. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It's shaping up to be a really busy week, so I'm glad that I have my meal prep. I am gonna have the same breakfast as I did yesterday, my little chia pudding. This is so good. I'm definitely gonna have to make this again. Also, I am walking very slowly on my walking pad as I work today. I think I've walked for probably like 20 or 30 minutes so far. Brian is headed home soon for lunch, so we're just gonna have leftovers, I think, but I will show you guys what we made. Oh. We're gonna start with yesterday's leftovers. Hi friends, it is about 4:30 and I really want a little snack, so I'm just gonna have a banana. I have a hair appointment at 5:15 and I don't know how long it's gonna take. I might get like a keratin treatment and I might get bangs too, so maybe I'll come back with better hair. So stay tuned, I'm kind of excited. I'm also